Ever dreamed of seeing your name on the cover of a book? Today, we're diving into the incredibly rewarding world of writing and self-publishing books. Whether you dream of crafting a gripping novel or sharing your expertise in a nonfiction work, the journey from idea to published book is more accessible than ever. Let's break it down. Phase 1. The writing process. First up, the writing process itself. This is where your vision truly comes to life. For fiction, it's about developing compelling characters, building immersive worlds, and weaving intricate plots. Think about your genre. Is it a thrilling mystery, a heartwarming romance, or an epic fantasy? Outline your story, create character arcs, and then, simply, start writing. Don't worry about perfection in the first draft. Just get the words down. Embrace the machines of creation. It's a vital part of the process. For nonfiction, it's about sharing your knowledge and passion. Identify your niche, research thoroughly, and structure your content logically. Whether it's a how-to guide, a memoir, or an academic work, clarity and accuracy are key. Organize your chapters, present your information clearly, and back up your claims with evidence. Consider your target audience. What do they need to learn? And how can you present it most effectively? No matter if it's fiction or nonfiction, remember to edit and revise meticulously. This stage is crucial. Self-editing, getting feedback from beta readers, and considering professional editing can elevate your manuscript significantly. Don't rush this step. A well-edited book reflects professionalism and respect for your readers. Read your work aloud to catch awkward phrasing, and don't be afraid to cut anything that doesn't serve the story or message. Phase 2. The self-publishing process. Once your manuscript is polished, it's time for This is where you take control of your destiny as an author. The first step is often formatting your book for both ebook and print. Platforms like Amazon, KDP, Apple Books, and Kobo offer user-friendly tools for this. Pay close attention to details, like font choice, line spacing, and chapter breaks to ensure a professional look. You'll need an eye-catching book cover. This is your book's first impression, so consider hiring a professional designer or using design tools, if you have the skills. A great cover can make all the difference in attracting readers. Next, you'll need to write a compelling book description that hooks potential readers. Think of it as your book's sales pitch, concise, exciting, and informative. Then comes setting your price and choosing your keywords and categories. These are vital for discoverability, helping readers find your book when they're searching online. Research what similar successful books are doing in your genre or niche. Finally, hit that publish button. But the work doesn't stop there. Marketing and promotion are essential for getting your book into readers' hands. Share your book on social media, build an email list, reach out to book bloggers and reviewers, run promotions, and engage with your readers. Consider creating an author website or blog to build your brand and connect with your audience. Remember, consistency is key in marketing. Phase 3. The author's mindset. Beyond the practical steps, cultivating the right author's mindset is crucial for long-term success. Writing can be a solitary journey, so finding a community of fellow writers can provide invaluable support and